Right, so since it's all assembled, they gave hardware. There we can see that. And I'm gonna do a test fit. So I got the left side done. Basically what I used so far is one of these drill bits, and I use this instead I have anyone to help me out. I basically used 3 of the self tappers, and then later on I'm gonna get the real hardware. This is just so I could like have a base, I guess, and then probably so I have one in the corner. It's aligned right here. Then I have one in the middle, right here. And then I have one that is like right over here. If you could, I don't know if it'll focus. Cool. And then I'm gonna get these guys in and have those on the side just to reinforce it. But I really wanted to do the sides and yeah, start off from there. So I'm gonna do the right side now. And then we're probably gonna do the middle last. So that way I could align it better. But oh man, that's gonna look crazy. Right, just did the right side now, and now it's time for the middle. Did the same thing. This thing's looking crazy. Damn. And looks like it's a wrap now. I did the centerpiece now. Basically what I did to align it was looking at the license plate frame, and since there are 4 letters here and here, I aligned it with my what is this, the rearview mirror. And yeah, thank God for these 2. That middle piece was a bitch without having anyone to hold it up for me. Then just reinforced all the self taps like right next to them. I also used a bunch of 3M tape for the middle. And damn, this looks fucking insane. Can't wait to see this in the sun. I'm gonna pull it out real quick and see how it looks.